Hello, everyone. I'm Dancy from Antlets. Today, I'm going to introduce to you a product, the capacitive level switch VEGAPOINT 23 from the manufacturer Vega. This is a reliable point level detection instrument, specifically designed for level monitoring in various industrial applications. The core advantages of this level switch lie in its excellent applicability and reliability. By adopting the advanced capacitive measurement principle, it can accurately detect the levels of liquid slurries and powdery media. Its unique electronic circuit design endows it with extremely high anti-interference ability. Even in an environment with strong electromagnetic interference, it can operate stably. In practical applications, it also performs extremely well. In the chemical industry, it can reliably detect various corrosive liquids. In the food and beverage industry, its hygienic design complies with strict hygiene standards. In the cement and building materials industry, it can stably detect powdery materials. Whether it is a conductive medium or a non-conductive medium, it can provide excellent switching signals. This product features a modular design. Users can choose different process connection methods and electrical connections according to their needs. With the standard relay output, it can be directly connected to the control system, and the installation and debugging are simple and quick. The protection grade of the product shell is as high as IP66 and IP67, allowing it to work stably for a long time in harsh industrial environments. It is particularly worth mentioning that its innovative self-diagnosis function enables the instrument to monitor the status of the probe in real time and issue early warnings for possible faults, greatly reducing the risk of unexpected shutdowns. At the same time, the maintenance of this product is very simple, and it can basically operate without the need for much maintenance. In general, the VEGAPOINT 23 capacitive level switch, with its extremely high reliability, adaptability, and easy maintenance, has become an ideal choice for industrial level detection. Whether it is to enhance product safety or optimize process control, it can create better value for you. If you are also interested in this product, you are welcome to contact us for inquiries and orders. Thank you all for listening. See you next time. Goodbye.